Hello, everyone. Do you want to learn how to make a paper decoration with hearts? Take a rectangular sheet of paper, such as printer paper, a 4 or letter. Place the paper so the long side is closer to you. Find the bottom left corner and bring it up to the top edge of the paper. Fold the paper to create a large triangle. Press firmly along the fold. Now take scissors and cut off the excess paper on the right side. Find the bottom corner on the right side. Fold it up to the top left corner. Press firmly along the fold. Then take the top right corner and fold it to the left corner. Press along the fold. Take the right side and fold it to the left side. Press the fold firmly. Take a pencil and draw a pattern on the paper. Cut along the drawn lines with scissors. A little further in the video, you'll find a tip on how to cut the decoration quickly and easily. Carefully unfold the paper, but don't unfold it completely. Leave it so that you have half of a snowflake. Draw half of a heart in the center. Cut out the half heart. Then unfold the decoration. If something went wrong or you want a bigger heart in the center, just draw a new half heart and cut it out. Unfold the paper decoration. If you like, you can add a small heart inside as well. And give a like if you enjoyed making this heart decoration. Cutting tips. If you find it difficult to cut the decoration with hearts right away, there is a simplified method. Unfold the template and cut only the top layers of paper. Then return the template to its original position and cut the remaining layers.